Hi everyone, today I am going to solve the chapter 3 of the Excel part of the Pearson MyITLab course. And if you want me to do any other part like a PowerPoint part, Word part or SS part, or if you want me to do your complete Cengage course, Simnet course or Pearson course, Math course, Stats course, Finance course, Accounting course, Nursing course, Psychology course, Statistics course, Information Technology course, you can contact with me. You can contact with me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact with me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can directly click on the WhatsApp link which is given in the description of this video. Now I am going to start that one assignment. Its name is Exp19 Excel chapter 3 HOE assessment medical. Its project description is given here. You can read it carefully so you will understand what you need to do in this assignment. I am going to start from the first steps. So by following these steps, you can complete your work and get an A grades. In our first step, he is asking start Excel download and open the file name exp19 Excel chapter 3 HOE assessment medical. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Our first step basically involved the downloading of the Excel file from the Pearson dashboard and opening of that one file. I have already downloaded that one file and opened that one file. That's our file. I will move to the second step. In our second step, what is he asking? You want to start by creating a clustered column chart. You will focus on the top four job titles that employ the most people in the top four sheets. So we will go to the top four sheet. That's our top four sheet. What is he asking? Use the insert tab to create a clustered column chart for the range A6 to D10. So we will select A6 to D10. That's our range A6 to D10. A6 to D10, we will go to the insert tab and select on the recommended charts and select clustered column chart. He is asking for the clustered column chart. That's our clustered column chart. Press OK. That's now inserted. What the next he is asking? Cut and paste the chart in the cell A16. Set 3.5 height and 5.7 width. So we will cut Control plus X and paste it in the cell A16. A16, we will select A16 and paste it here. And what next he is asking to do? Chart format. We will go to the chart format. We'll go to the chart format and change the width and height to 3.5 and 5.7. So we will go format and we will change 3.5 and width will be 5.7. Press enter. So that's our height and width change. That's our step number 2. In our step number 3, what is he asking? Next, you want to create a recommended chart to depict the number of people for each job and the estimated number of new people by 2026. Because the top 2 jobs are significantly more people than the other jobs, you will focus on the other 6 jobs. Display the medical job worksheet. So we will go to the medical job worksheet. That's our medical job worksheet. Use a recommended chart for the feature created recommended clustered bar chart for the range A6 to B13 and D6 to D13. So we will select A6 to B13 and D6 A6 to B13. We will select A6 to B13. That's our range A6 to B13 and then select D6 to D13 and go to the insert tab and select the recommended charts and select the which one he is asking clustered bar chart. Change it to stacked bar chart. So we will select first the cluster bar chart, then change the chart type to stacked bar chart. We will select stacked bar chart. That's our stacked bar chart and press OK. That's our stacked bar chart. What next? And move the chart to a new sheet name as a bar chart. So we will copy that one and paste. We will go to the format chart design and here we will select move chart. Then here we will select new sheet and rename the sheet as a bar chart and press OK. Then now our chart is now shifted to a new sheet name as a bar chart. That's our step number 3. In our step number 4, what next he is asking? All but medical transcript will see growth before 2026. You want to see what percentage each job contribute to the total job pool for the job of the medical professionals. Display the new job sheet and select range A1 to B9 and use the quick analysis to create a pie chart. So we will select the new job sheet. That's our new short job sheet. We will select A1 to B9. Our fourth step, he is asking to display the new job worksheet and select the A1 to B9 and use quick analysis to create a pie chart. So we will go to the new job sheet. That's our new job sheet. We will select A1 to B9 and from the quick analysis, that's our quick analysis tool. We will select on that one and go to the charts and then select the pie chart. That's our pie chart. That's now inserted. And what next he is asking, move the chart to a new sheet name as a pie chart. So we will copy that one and paste it to a new sheet. We will go to the chart design and we will select we will select as a we will select the move chart and select the new sheet and rename the sheet as a pie chart and press OK. Now our chart is pasted to a new sheet. That's our step number 4. In our fifth step, what is he asking? The last chart you want to create will depict the number of new jobs and related percentage increase with the new job sheets active. So we will go to the new job worksheet. That's our new job worksheet. What next he is asking to select the range A1 to C9 and create a combo chart with a clustered column and line on secondary axis. So we will select A1 to C9 and we will go to the insert tab and select the recommended charts, and here we will go to the all charts and go to the combo chart. And which chart he is asking? Clustered column line on secondary axis and press OK. That's our chart. What next he is asking to do? Move the combo chart to a new sheet name as a combo chart. So we will copy that one and in the chart design we will select move chart and select the new sheet and rename it as a combo chart and press OK. Our chart is now pasted to a new sheet. That's our step number 5. In our step number 6, what is he asking? It is important to replace the default chart title with the actual descriptive chart title. With the combo chart selected, type new medical jobs by 2026 in the chart title and apply black text 1 font color to the chart title. So we will select the chart title. That's our chart title. We will rename that one with like that, new medical jobs by 2026 and make that one black text one font color. That's our black text one font color we have applied to the chart title. What next he is asking? Select the pie chart and type new medical jobs by 2024 to 2026 and apply black top font 1 color and 18 pt size to the chart title. So we will go to the pie chart. That's our pie chart. We will select that one and that's our chart title. We'll select that one and replace it with that one and then press Control A and go to the home tab and change the that one size to 18 and select apply blue text one black text one font color. That's our step. Next, what is he asking? Select the bar chart and type projected number of medical jobs by 2026 and change the chart title to black web text 1 font color and 18 font size. So we will go to the bar chart. That's our bar chart. We will change its title, rename its chart title, select all that one text and in the home tab select that one size to 18 pt and change its font color to black text one. That's now applied to our chart title. That's our step. Select the column chart, type top 4 medical jobs 2016 and 2026 chart title and format the title black font 1. So we will go to the top 4 and change the bar chart title to top 4 medical jobs 2016 2026 and apply black text 1 font color. That's our step number 6 complete. In our step number 7, what is he asking? You want to add a value access title to clarify the chart with the column chart selected. Add a primary value access title and type number of jobs as our access title. So we will go to the access title. We will select that one chart. Click on the plus button and select the access title and select the primary access title. What is he asking? Number of jobs as access title. That's our access title. We will paste that one as access title, number of jobs. And what next he is asking? In our 8th step, what is he asking? Adjust the value access setting will be access man easier to read the bar chart. Select the bar chart and change the, so we will go to the bar chart. That's our bar chart. What next he is asking? Change the maximum bound for the value access to 4,000, 40,000. So we will copy that one and display the units in thousand. Apply black text font color and 10 pt font size to the value axis and category axis. So we will select the first one, the value axis. That's our value axis. What next he is asking to do? Axis option. He is asking to change the maximum bound to this one value. So we will select that one, maximum bound. That's our maximum bound. We will change the value like that. What next he is asking to do? Display the units in thousands. So we will select display the units in thousands. So we will select the display units and we will select thousands. That's now in the thousand. What next he is asking to do? Apply black text one font color and 10 pt font size to the value axis and category axis. That's our value axis. We will go to the select that one, black text one font color. What next he is asking to do? 10 pt font size. So we will select that one and change the 10 pt font size. Select the axis category also, change its color and change its pt to 10 pt. That's our step number 8. In our step number 9, what is he asking? Show in percentage for all pie slices. Important to knowing which job categories what percentage of the overall new medical jobs by 2026 on the pie chart sheet. So we will go to the pie chart sheet. That's our pie chart sheet. What next he is asking to do? Add a category and percentage data label using the best fit position. So we will select data labels and select best fit positions. That's our best fit position. We select the more options and which things he is asking to add. That one label option, he is asking to add the category and percentage. So we will select category, name and percentage, remove the values. And what next he is asking to do? And the legend remove the values data of labels and the legends. So we will also remove the legends. Yes, select that one and uncheck the legends. That's now unchecked. What next he is asking? Apply black text one font color and 12 pt size to the data label. So we will select 12 pt size and black text one font color. That's now applied to our data labels. That's our step number 9. In our step number 10, what is he asking? You want to focus on the job category that will contribute the most growth by 2026. Explore the medical assistant pie by 5%. So we will select medical assistant pie. That's our medical assistant pie. We will say explore that one 5%. First explode that one, then change it here to a 5% and press enter. That's now exploded by 5%. That's our step number 10. We have total 19 steps in this assignment. I have performed 10 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignments, or if you don't have time to do that one assignments, or if you want to get an A grades in your course, you can deal with me. You can deal with me for the courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, business and law, or math, stats, finance, accounting, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or cookbook. Or you can deal with me for your complete Cengage course, Simnet course, or Pearson course. And you can contact with me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact with me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Or you can directly click on the WhatsApp link which is given in the description of this video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.